Just riding the SSR today. It's not mine, but it's actually Lydia's. I think it's 2015, when mine's 2016. But they're basically exactly the same. I think the frame's just a little different. But yeah, I'm just gonna be cruising their backyard for the most part. I got a little trail back here. It's pretty fun. Donut or burnout, not a donut. Donuts sound good though right now. I haven't ate breakfast. Cyclops, or like a, is it cherry donut? Yeah, cherry. That sounds awesome. Now you guys know what to send me in the mail if I ever get a PO box. It'd be like a whole bunch of donuts. I'll end up like 300 pounds. All thanks to you guys. What are subscribers for, right? I'm gonna have the t-shirts out by next week. I think I got everything squared away now. So they should be out next week. I'll have another video talking about it a little bit more, but just for a heads up, probably next week, Tuesday's video, I'll have something in there about it, if any of you guys are interested. I think getting stickers would be pretty cool too. Throw some stickers on some of your guys' bikes or quads or sleds or whatever you ride. Catching my pant leg. Uphill wheelies. Let's try. No, it just bogs. It's weird. That was a good one. That was a good one. Did anyone else see that? I don't know if anyone else's watch is Mark Freeman or not. But like, I don't know, I'd like to say at least maybe 2-3 weeks ago, he got injured. I think he broke his back and had like a ruptured spleen or something. Does anyone know how that happened? I assume he was probably riding the dirt bike or something. But if anyone knows, let me know. But that definitely sucks. Gotta get the dinosaur out of here before I run it over. Oh, it's all wet. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, I'm gonna do a pit bike comparison video. I wanted to get that done last week, but it was just completely underwater everywhere. But hopefully by next weekend, depending weather permitting, I will have a pit bike comparison video. I think it'd be a pretty cool video. Help some of you guys out. If you guys are looking for pit bikes, get a better feel for the market. Also, I'm probably gonna get the quad back together next week, so could possibly hop on that as well. Oh, hit the knee on the Oh, that hurt. Just hit the knee on the brake lever. Oh, that's neutral. No, I guess that wasn't neutral. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out of here. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week, Tuesday. No video for... Oh, it bogged. No video for Thursday this week. Sorry about that. But I promise next week I will have 2 or more videos for sure. Alright, peace. I upload every Tuesday or Thursday, or both, depending on what I got. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. And check me out on Instagram, JakesPlace12. Thanks. Peace out, guys. Peace, peace, peace. Okay, one more uphill wheelie. One more. Okay, that's definitely first gear. Okay, second gear is the best. Second gear, let's see if we can do it. Fence! I gotta touch it. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.